Good evening, sir. This is our report is effect of building and permeability on the stability of the ship. Introduction. A ship's stability is the ability to remain upright is paramount of safe operation. Two critical factors influencing vessel stability are folding of the compartment of permeability, the extent and to which the compartment will feed water. This report explains how these factors affect ship stability both internally and after the flooding event. Understanding building and probability. Building. This refers to the holding of one or more compartment due to hull damage or another structural failure. The location size of the flooded compartment of stability impact the ship stability. Probability. This is the proportion of the compartment of value that would be occupied by water if water completely flooded. Each practice in the medical percentage E and G 0.8 or 80%. Probability varies depending on the compartment contents. High probability close to 1.0. Compartment containing largely open space such as cargo hold with the unpacked goods will have high permeability as a water readily fills and space. Low probability close to 0.0 compartments filled with the machinery or technically packaged waterproof item will have low probability. Water cannot easily penetrate. Ang katatagan ng isang barko ay kakayahan nito manatiling tuwid ay napakahalagang para sa ligtas na operasyon ng dalawang mahalagang salik ng nakaapekto ng katatagan ng isang sasakyang pandagat ay ang paghaba biglang isang komplemento at ang pagkamatagusin probability or ang lawak kung gaano kabilis mapupuno ang tubig ang isang komplemento. Suriin ng ulat ito kung paano kaapekto ang mga salik na ito ay katatagan ng isang barko kapwa bago nang makatapos ng mangyayaring pagbaha. The next is effect on install of stability. Ship stability of characteristic size by is the atmospheric high GM. GM is the distance between the ship's center of gravity G and its center M, a point that determines rotational stability. Large GMs indicate greater stability. Initial stability. Before building, a ship possesses initial stability limited by its GM. Building introduce additional weight whether into the vessels affecting the center of gravity G and occasionally wiring of the mechanic GM. High GM with reducing in GM decrease inertial stability, making the ship more prone and tilting. The severity of this reductions depends on location of flooding and compartment. Flooding near and center of gravity has less of a impact than the flooding and the ends. Volume of water. A large flooded volume results in the more significant shift of G and greater reducing in GM. Probability. Higher probability means more water intense causing a more produced reductions in GM. Pagbaha ng biling tukoy ito ng pagbaha ng isa o higit pagpromento dahil sa pinsala sa balat o iba pang pagsari ng struktura. Ang lokasyon ay laki ng pagbaha ng kompromento ay lubos ng pagkakapekto sa katatagan ng barko. Ang Mansik probability. Ito ay proporsyon ng dami ng isang kompromento ng pagpupuno ng tubig kung ito ay lubos ng mabasa. Pinapahayag ito ay bilang isang dynamical or presyento. Hal 0.8 or 80% ang probability ay nag-iibang depende sa mga nilalaman ng kompromento. Matataas ng pagkatagusin malapit sa 1.0 ang mga kompromento na may lalaking bukas ng espasyo tulad ng mga bodega ng kargumento na may mga hindi nakabalot o ng kalkal ay magkakaroon ng mataas na probability dahil madaling mapuno ng tubig ang espasyo. Mababang pagkamatugasin malapit sa 0.0 ang mga kompromento ng puno ng pagkabilidad mahigit na makabalot hindi tinatagos ng tubig na mahigit ay magkakaroon ng mababang probability hindi madaling makapasok ang tubig.
Good evening, sir. Mitigation strategies. Several methods can mitigate the negative effects of bilging and permeability on ship stability. Compartmentalization. Dividing the hull into numerous watertight compartments confines flooding to a limited area, minimizing the impact on overall stability. Maraming mga paraan daw ang maaaring magpagaan sa ang mga negatibong epekto ng pagbaha at permeability sa katatagan ng barko. Compartmentation. Ang paghahati sa balat sa maraming mga watertight compartments ay naglilimita sa lawak ng pagbaha, binabawasan ang epekto sa kalatang katatagan. Watertight integrity. Maintaining the watertight integrity of bulkheads and other structural elements prevents uncontrolled flooding. Ang pagpamatili ng watertight integrity ng mga bulkheads at iba pang mga elemento ng structural ay pumipigil sa hindi kontroladong pagbaha. Damage control systems. Effective pumping systems can remove water from flooded compartments, helping restore stability. Ang mga epektibong sistema daw ng pagbomba ay maaring mag-alis ng tubig mula sa mga baha na kompartimento na tumutulong sa na maibalik ang katatagan. Baffles in tanks. Internal baffles in tanks reduce the free surface effect, mitigating the influence of liquid sloshing on stability. Ang mga panloob ng baffles sa mga tangke ay binabawasan ang free surface effect, binabawasan ang impluensya ng pag-alon ng likido sa katatagan. Conclusion. Brigging and permeability significantly influence a ship's stability. Understanding their effects is vital for safe ship design and operations proper. Compartmentalization, effective damage control measures, and accurate estimation of permeability are crucial to minimize the risks associated with flooding and maintain adequate stability. Ignoring these factors can lead to catastrophic consequences. That's all, sir. Thank you.